Families continued tornado cleanup this weekend, trying to make a dent in all the damage that's been left behind. News 2 spoke with one family in Bowling Green that's still in shock after narrowly escaping death. Martha and Eric Alford tell us they didn't take the weather warning seriously until they started hearing tornado sirens. The couple and their children were heading to the basement when the winds picked up and threw Eric into the wall.
Something hit me, but I would imagine it was 100 to 200-mile-an-hour winds. Not really for sure what went through here. Lifted me up, put my forearm through the drywall, and just kind of slammed and wadded me up in the door face.
Thankfully, the couple's two sons, daughter-in-law, grandbaby, and dog are all okay. The family is grateful for everyone who is helping out after the storm.
Our community is known for being an international city. We have 50 different languages in our elementary schools because we have all walks of life, all kinds of cultures in our town. So as you well know, that causes some conflict sometimes with differences with people. But I'm telling you right now, this tornado has erased that. It's erased that.
The family is now staying at a hotel and getting help from members of their church.